Hey, it's Mark here, and in today's Affiliate Millionaire, we're going to go over doing a redirect in Groovepages. So Groovepages is a piece of the Groovefunnels software package, and you can get a free account from the link in the comments below if you want to follow along with me while doing this. I'll give you a second there to get that if you'd like. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. So here we are from the accelerated keto landing page we set up last time. And so you can see we have this ClickBank affiliate link, right? So it's kind of ugly when someone hovers over it and says, oh, that looks like an affiliate link, I'm not going to click. So what we can do in Groovepages is we can create a new page, and we'll do a blank one. And we're just going to put an empty container in, so we have something in the page. And then we go back to the page, and we do edit settings, and we will give the page a title, and we'll call it Watch Now. And we'll give it a URL of Watch Now. And we'll give it a title of Watch Now. And we can say Watch Now, and we can say lose weight, no diet, no exercise for that. And this we might put something similar to that. Without exercise. Watch Now. So then we just enable page redirection. And so we say it's an external URL, and we put the URL, that's the affiliate link there. And we save this page now. We can show that it's not going to be visible to the outside world. Well, there's no content visible, I mean. And so then we just publish it. It's on that domain, we do publish. And while that's waiting to publish, we can go and make changes that we want to the home page. So now we have this Watch Now. And instead of going to a URL, we want to go to a page, and we want to go to the Watch Now page, and we update that. And then when this comes back, I'm just going to wait a second here. Usually it happens fairly quickly. And there we go, so it's published. And so now we're just going to publish again because we made changes to this page. And so that's publishing again. And that's now come back. And so then we go and look at our page. So you can see before it still had that ugly affiliate link. Let's see what it has now. Now it says Watch Now. Now it's going to the same spot, but it looks a lot better. So there you go. That's how to build redirect in Groovepages. So if you like these quick hit internet marketing videos, click the like button and subscribe and tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video. See you next time.